It's all about the Cockpit countryside of Jamaica. Sight, I is ever slick. Soon forward.
Jamaican farmers. Hot.
Jamaican farmers.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
For anyone who have never been to Barbecue Bottom before, get ready. The train is leaving. It's all about hiking, my friend. If you want to take a tour inside the hills and the valleys of the Cockpit country, it is time. It's time for you. You ever hear the name Barbecue Bottom? Barbecue Bottom? Yes, it's all about them. We're planning a trip to Barbecue Bottom. So if anyone who want to join in, there's a number on screen. You can call the number to get in touch with me. Yeah, to be on that trip to Barbecue Bottom. All right, stick around. There's a lot more. Yeah, me and my friend here, we always traveling. We are travelers of the world, all right? I don't know, it's all about the hills and valleys, you know. Now I mean, inside the hills of Campbell's right now. See, I don't know where to touch it. Down at the gully. Yeah, man, Barbecue Bottom. I don't know it's all about, you know.
The barbecue lower part.
Carlton Jones there. Him there upstairs, because I don't know. So many people follow black on me. After in the hills, you know, Burnt Hill, hillside, you know. Because we got touchdown barbecue. Lower part. You know what I mean? Yeah. Look some bamboo. We do some bamboo fencing. So what I say? Last year I live every time, so you don't know. Watch the street now. Yeah man. See it? Yeah man. Watch the view of the hills. You know? And the valleys. Yeah man, they right a cave, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man, see up at the cave there. Can't find it. Aye. But the cave that. See? Alright my people.
Yo, boy easy ya.
You see video, man.
Think a boy easy.
Go in it, aya.
Hey, I think that you're tough, you know what you talk about the boy, no?
Yes, for people, when they're going at the hills there. Rastafari I live every time. See Dan them up front there. Them man I Dan them, you know, the hills, you know. See it there? All the hills and valley.
You know whatever.
Eh? Okay. Soon get the land, man. Over yourself. Yes, my people. Love to see the farm. Love to see the farm. Banana them look nice. Yeah? See it there? What you smell? What you smell, Rodney?
Snake.
You smell snake?
Yeah, man.
Them there, man. Them there.
And shed skin.
Okay. Them there, man. Them there, my people. Them there. Snake there, you know. Yeah, man. Yes, my people. Here is the tree root village. If you notice, a tree root on the side of the rock. Yeah? Yeah? Tree root village. Cut down the whole tree party. Find some fruit in the hills, you know. Yeah, man, we find some food, man. I bush you there, you know. Bush you there. We find some food. Find some food, brother. Yeah, man. Find some food. We find some guinea nip. You know them fruit, eh? Yeah. Yeah, man. We find some guinea nip. Yes, babe. Make me taste one if it's nice. Some of that thing okay? Look at the blasted tree you cut down. Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, yes, some people want to go shelter for in the fall. We can shelter here, you know. At the baboon cave here, so. Yeah, but see the plaza up top. Yeah. Up here is the plaza, you know. Come on, White House Plaza. Yeah. Of the what? Arch. This is the arch tree. Yeah.
Them know say it grow from that side.
Yeah, give them the information. It grow from that side. Oh, see the tree root here. Yeah, go right over across. Yeah. Oh, 2, 3 meter.
1 tree.
I 1 3. So you go back down there ground. Me rotted.
What really happened is that,
I 1 3, yes.
yeah,
Look me people, 1 3.
come right down back on the ground.
Right back on the ground.
What really happened? You see over there, sir, was another tree. But fig catch it, kill it and take its space.
Okay, okay. My God, that one are
See,
huge.
some people come like fig.
Yeah.
Just beg your night rest and kill you after.
And take your space. Also I set up my people. See?
So you see, they are burn out all like fig people.
Alright, sir.
If you realize,
Yeah man, Bamboo Village.
kind of more smaller.
Eh?
Smaller type of bamboo.
Okay.
These don't really grow much bigger. But we're going now, massive.
How you mean, man? Bamboo Village. Mango tree, my favorite. None panny tree?
None beneath.
Check on the tree there, no mango drop.
Eating late.
No man, we can't eat leaf.
You get more vitamin.
Yeah. Journey to Barbecue Bottom. The east side, you know what I mean? Yeah. Down there is the skating ring. Alright?
We can skate the best on the bamboo road.
Yeah man. Yeah man. Inside the hills of Burnt Hill. You know? Alright? Cool. It's all about in the hills and gully of Barbecue Bottom. Looking some bamboo. You know what I mean? Yeah. Do some bamboo fencing, you know what I mean? See? People, I'm exactly standing right in the heart of Barbecue Bottom. Yeah? Right in the heart of Barbecue Bottom. I'm standing right now, looking around. Yeah? In the heart of Barbecue Bottom. Alright? Alright? People, this is where you stay up on the road and look down in the valleys. The gully and the valleys of Barbecue Bottom. Up here is where you stay and look down. Up here is the road, you know. You stay and look down in the valley of Barbecue Bottom. Yeah, so right now I'm in the heart, the middle of Barbecue Bottom. Trust me, it's a good view. There's a lot of mosquito here. Know what I mean? But trust me, this is Barbecue Bottom. So every 7 years, here always having water. Water always settle here, you know, down the bamboo gully. Water always full up the whole of this gully here. Every 7 years, you know what I mean? Yeah. So my people, welcome to the bottom of Barbecue Bottom, alright? I'm in the gully, right at the bottom of the Barbecue Bottom. Yeah, up there is the road where you can stay and look down in the hills and the valleys of Barbecue Bottom, you know what I mean? It's very far, alright? Okay, I find half a jug of water here. Don't know how long this water was here, but trust me. Oh, it's a half a jug of water here. Yeah, smell just like the gully. You know what I mean? Yeah, bamboo root. Don't know if any duppy live here, but I'm here. So those guys have to leave. People, as you can see, here is the deepest part of the gully. But it seems like it is a hole here. It is a seaball hole here. You know what I mean? This is where all the water run to. You know what I mean? As you can see on the hillside. So here is where all the water run to. Right down in this hole here. You know what I mean? Seems like it's a seaball hole. You know? Yeah, Barbecue Bottom. See? See? Mosquito them in a Barbecue Bottom, man. They're dangerous, man. I'll not head them a bite, you know, but trust me, one head them can't bite, you know. Them can't bite in this guy head. Every time them pitching this guy head, them slide out, you know.
You can't go outside.
Remember me tell you.
I lost time using my head.
Oh, I lost the use.
I see thing I sold them is on them boot.
Oh, boxer, say it's a shine. It's shining, boy.
Why you trying, sir? Mosquito can't pitch in that.